Hi guys, so this video is to show you how to create a flipbook using the website Flipsnack and Google Slides. So you want to start by creating your slides presentation. You want to make sure that all of your information is in the slideshow that you are going to be graded on. If you're asked to include images, you want to make sure that they're in there and any information that is important. Okay, let's always start with the information and then we can jazz it up. Now, I would recommend making these look nice through a site called Slides Carnival. Uh, this is a great site with lots and lots of options to jazz up your presentations. You can see up here, you can look at all templates. You can search by color or kind of by genre, right? And once you find one that you like, you can click on it and then it will let you go preview it. And you can click through and see all of the slides. They usually have a lot of slides involved. And then you can just choose Uses Google Slides theme, and it will basically make a copy of this and put it in your Google Drive. Okay, now that's what I did on this slideshow. This is a Slides Carnival template, and I made it look nice. You also want to make sure that your slide presentation has an even number of slides, and your first slide is going to be the cover of your flipbook. So it should be like a title slide. And your back cover is going to be the last slide in your presentation. So you want to make sure that that's maybe not full of information, but maybe like a thank you kind of slide or a credits kind of slide. That's a good place to put that. Okay. So once you've got your slides made and you want to have an even number, you want to save this as a PDF. So you do that by going to File, Download, and choosing PDF. Now, if you're on a Chromebook, this is just going to download into the files on the Chromebook. It won't be there after you log off, but if you're on a PC or if you're on a desktop, it will download it to the bottom of the browser, which I guess I need to do because I forgot I didn't do this yet. Okay, so there it is. And now I'm ready to go to Flipsnack. So I'm going to go to the Flipsnack website. And once you log on, and you may have to create an account here, but once you get in, the free version only lets you have 3 Flipsnacks. You've probably not used this before, so it's probably not an issue right now. And you can click on the Upload PDF button to get started. And then you simply go and upload your file. You can either drag and drop it, or you can go find it from the file section of your Chromebook. And it's going to take just a minute to upload, and then it'll let me click next. And then this next part might take a while. You'll notice it says weird looking pages. No worries, they're still loading. That one didn't take long at all. And it put in my flipbook, and there it is. Okay, so now at this point we get to do some of the fun stuff, like we get to choose some of the background colors. Maybe we want to jazz it up a little bit. You have some choices, but notice all these things that say green upgrade or upgrade in green, you can't do because you don't have the paid version. But you can do some of these things if you choose. I'm going to hide this little toolbar down here. And if you're happy with how this looks, then you just click next and it will go to the publish screen. Now, this is your title, so you want to make sure that it's a good working title. Your category is probably going to be like education. It's probably in here. There it is. And visibility, you can't change. It's going to be public. So make sure that you don't put any personal identifying information in there. Maybe just your first name and your first initial of your last name. Don't put like where you live or anything, any personal information in there. That's really important. And then you just hit publish now. And it will go ahead and go through that process of publishing. And it will give you a link right here that you can use to turn this into your teacher. Now I'm going to go ahead and copy that link, and I am going to open a new window and paste it so you can see what a finished product might look like. And here you go. And I can go full screen with this, and I can flip the pages and see my whole presentation. There you go. That's it. All there is to it. You've made a flipbook with all of your information, but a kind of a nicer way to present than just a standard slideshow.